Hello, Halloween. Move this fat man
Oh
here.
my god. Excuse me. I'll get Fat Man Joe on you again. Don't even.
Don't even think about eating your child.
I'm a hobo. Can you get me some stuff?
No, that's mine.
Can I have the orange one?
I don't know what the bumhole the orange one does.
Ooh.
There's the £69 one.
Yeah.
You have this one.
You bought me a baggy bags.
Buy a bag then. You have enough money.
I don't. Look.
No, the normal bag.
I buy the normal bag.
Let me look at your money. Press it. When did you spend money?
Today, I told you.
Okay then.
That's it. Don't buy me anything else.
Yeah, because I don't want to waste. Sadly, the new map is an anglerfish.
Oh,
That's sad. So let's go!
what we going to it?
Anglerfish. Because the new map's an anglerfish.
I thought you meant to do it.
Skibbity toilet, whatever.
It looks like you're flipping
GTA 5. You see these ugly things? We have to follow them. And they lead into... So it'll take us to the new map. What the... Oh my god. Just follow... Oh my god.
Is this new monster thing scary?
Probably. I've not seen the monster though.
Oh, great.
Okay. When that ugly fish moves, we're going to run over there.
But that's no chance.
What is
I've got an
this
idea.
sussy light for?
Oh no, it's brighter than the other stuff.
Don't do that, you bumhole. That will wake up.
Well, how about we only have one flashlight, which is going to be really hard.
No, the mansion's really dark. There's also, I think there's a zero gravity, it said in the thing, so. Yeah.
Yay! I love zero, bro.
But there's no cases.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, we're gonna run. Don't move. Run. We got. Come on.
What the
bumhole is this?
Oh, no.
Oh god. Let's go. What is that noise? What?
A noise!
Just follow me!
When Batman are hiding in the shadows.
What the hell's... No, I literally hear like some... Oh look! At least we have nice bomb man, like the blue one that only blinds us. At least we've got... Oh yay! Ah! I can't see. Oh, now I can. Okay. No. Come back. We've got to go this way probably. I think we have to find a kid.
Don't dead end. What's it?
What?
I do not trust that way. It started doing weird noise.
It's not a dead end, there's a curve. Just come on. I'm braver than you.
Okay, maybe you are.
Okay. No, come back. Door just opened. Oh look, it's Stanley. Who the bum is this?
It's the Mona Lisa!
Oh my god!
Let me have it!
We're gonna put
Don't even go!
No, we're gonna put this in the... We're gonna put this...
You don't see that?
Yeah, I don't think... What?
That was like a little figure!
Come here!
Let's go!
Let's follow the boy. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Just no. No. Please. I don't want to be taken.
I'm gonna quit this game. It's so scary.
I never knew this goofy game could be so scary.
Okay,
No, it's fine. Wait, turn your flashlights off. That might help.
No, it doesn't.
It's right there. Wait, no. Turn your lights back on. Stay here. Stay. Oh, come back down. You can get us up. Shall I look at it?
Is there a jump scare?
Can you have a look at it? Look at it.
No.
It's not that scary when you get a nice look at it. Should we just run? Should we just run? I'm fast as a bee! You can't do it! No, it's right there! It's right there! Get up!
What is that thing? What is that?
There's a teleport. There's like these weird portals in there. You have to find the key to get to the low gravity.
I don't want to do this.
Oh wait, I know what the light does. Turn your light off.
Oh, she looks like the Mona Lisa.
If we turn the light on, that shows where she is. I think we understand. If we just look at her. Oh. I'm getting out of it. I'm getting out. Anglerfish, kill me! Yes! Oh, thank God, I got killed by red light, green light instead. Is there a jump scare?
Screams and then like runs at you. My heart is beeping so flipping
That's so
fast.
skibbity. We didn't even make any.
Scary.
Did we go back down there?
She's one shot.
I'm like, No, what? Yeah, we're going to fish. No, not fish. Birdman to lighten things up.
Wait, should we both get like one of the orange lights? Or just you? Each one of us.
What is the orange light? I don't know
I
why
feel
yet,
like
but they also have like a.
Oh, a camera.
Yeah. What's that for? To take photos of your besties.
Should we do a photo?
We're going back there.
I need a flashlight then.
There's your bag.
Okay. Can I have a flashlight?
We're going to have normal flashlights this time since I can't be bothered to buy the £69 flashlight.
Oh.
Woof! Should we just go to should we just go to Mimic's Cave first to get some money? Then we'll go so we can buy better
Yeah, I'm
stuff.
scared of that thing.
Wait, Wolf.
That's gonna be haunting my flipping dreams.
I think that's only going to be there for this Halloween though. I hope it stays actually.
Yeah, it is fun,
But
but very scary.
I bet my mum just heard me scream, sing, no. Oh, Coca-Cola.
Oh, Coca-Cola. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh. Cool. Wait, they've changed it around again.
That's one is this one.
I think I found it. Strong man. Are we like an anglerfish or something? A strong man. Wait, I just died. Can you save me and my stuff? Stay there, we'll come back. Okay? I'm gonna come back. Huh? Why? Should we go get back and get our stuff? I'm at spawn.
Okay.
Dance what is a thing?
Just Dance on Nintendo. It's on VR now.
What the hell do you mean by that? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't
You
know.
know Just Dance on
Never
Nintendo?
heard of it because I don't own a Nintendo.
Oh my god.
Well, it's not my fault I don't own something that's very similar to an iPad.
Yeah, pretty awesome. Yeah. Yeah.
What about it? It's like a phone with controllers. Imagine like they combined the Xbox controller with a phone.
Yeah, fine. I know Fat Man, Joe. Look at his buns. Hello?
Bumpy! Let's go.
Man. That was really weird. What is that thing?
It's Buffman. You not seen him?
I know, I've seen him when I first played this game.
He was one of the
This
OG.
guy I
Let's
do
go
not
for
talk
chicken
about.
instead.
Yes.
At least the chicken sleeps and doesn't actually stay up all night playing
Okay, drop me
video.
to a strap.
We might not need distraction because he's over there.
Wait. Get it. Go. Right, on distract.
No, don't. No. Plunger.
Oh, plunge.
You go get it. I don't want a plunger.
Mummy, just stay there. Just gonna get this. Just gonna get this.
Okay, let's go to the angler. We're going to a horror mode. Yeah. At least we have. You can stick to walls now if you want to pinch yourself in a wall, and I can glide away.
No, I rather follow you.
Too bad. You might die. And if you die, I'm gonna die.
Then you're alone.
Because I'm not staying down there alone. No, literally, when I went down there in a public, all I heard was screaming. Yeah! Come on, Fat Man Joe. We're nearly there. We're nearly there, honey bunch. I just did a glitch so I can see. Okay.
Hey, Fat Man, where are you?
I'm gonna glide.
Here's Batman. I hide in the shadow.
I just glided down there. I'm now hiding. No. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here. You gotta get to the mansion thing first. I see you.
Ew. That one. Yeah, I don't know.
You should be like Mario, his plunger.
Mario.
Okay, I think we don't shine light at it. It's not there. Fat Man, where'd you go? It's not there. Oh! No, this light just ran out.
What?
Yeah, like it literally just, it was flickering like this and ran out. This thing got battery now. Look, it just did it again!
Wait, keep it on for me. Wait, yours? Should we get back to this? I feel like we should get rich. Wait, we need the tools that we need. Mummy, help.
Come on. Slowly does it. I'm gonna do part 2.